Hello, namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena and today I will discuss about what are the cryptographic attacks. Nowadays, information is the backbone for the industries, whether that's the industry that's related to the production, banking, that's related to the government, somebody is just in the medical science, universities or any industry. Information is very crucial, okay, and if that information will be in wrong hands, that's hackers, cyber criminals, they can take the advantage of it, okay. Either they can blackmail the industry or the organization, or they can sell that information to the competitor, okay. So providing the security to the information, we use cryptography, okay. There are the multiple methods we can secure our information, but hackers always in the hunt to perform the attack. And what are those attacks? In today's session I will discuss about it. When we are having information, okay, for example, we are having the valuable information in our organization, okay, and the right person is having access on, authorized person is having access on it, okay. And if we need to share that information with anybody or with the authorized person, then definitely we want to ensure that the information only should be received to the authorized person, okay. For example, here is the sender, okay, and here is the receiver. When we are transferring that information, say over internet or on a network, clear, this is the public network, okay, that's public network, so anyone can have access on it. When we are sending the information, we want to ensure that information on the right receiver, and if somebody in between will get that information, they would not be able to read it. So we want to maintain confidentiality, and if we are saying we want to also ensure that no change has been made during the transmission, that means integrity we are maintaining. And when we are saying somebody when they need that information, they should that information should be available at that time, so we are maintaining the availability, okay. But cyber attack always happens on our network, on our data, clear, and those attack can be passive or active. When we are then what's the difference these passive and active attacks? Hackers will steal that information, for example, that's a piece of the hacker, okay, and this hacker steal that information and will not make any change on it, just will see it, will copy it, no modification will be made at that time. So this is passive. Here as the victim never come to know, yes, that attack happened on their network, on their data, okay. And active attack, when the hacker will also steal the information, for example, say they are having a copy of it or they made change on it, they can change the value, okay, they can also change the value, they can delete the data, clear, and also make a copy of the data. And here in this case, the victim just come to know, yes, that attack happened on my data, on my network, clear. And if we will say passive or active attack when happen, which will be the more dangerous? So which one, as per you, which one will be the dangerous? I need the answer from you in the comment, okay. So when this attack is happening, hackers want to know, yes, what was the text that transmitted. We are having the transmitted the text for the transmission, that's in plain text, and with the help of certain algorithm, okay, whether dash, triple dash, uh, uh, AES, okay, or for the integrity check we will need MD5 SHA, okay, and for the symmetric encryption key or the asymmetric encryption key we will use to encrypt the data. So that is our ciphertext, okay, plain text, ciphertext, and we will transmit that ciphertext to the receiver, and receiver need to know about the key, what was the key I used, whether that's a public or private key. They need the key to decrypt the data. So hacker maybe attack guesswork they will use, or the brute force they will use, or they will just try to get the plain text from the ciphertext, okay, the attack can be happen, or they will just try to know what was the key used to encrypt the data. So to just get that key they can perform the attack, dictionary attack, brute force attack, or the birthday attack, okay, or in between, when they are transmitting the data, maybe they are having the copy of it. So each and every information, when the sender and the receiver will communicating, they are also getting a copy of it. Yeah, so that attack can be happen on this way. And when the cryptographic kind of attack happens, then definitely the hackers need a lot of knowledge about the crypto analysis, okay, because what algorithm they used, what key they might be this used, what was the length of the key, what were the combinations are possible, okay, what hash algorithm they used, each and everything information about all these things they need to know. Clear? So what the solution for those kind of attack? First of all, we should use the well established, or the uh, uh, well uh, reputed, we can say, algorithm used in the market. We should use only that one. We should not use the algorithm which is privately created. Might be that authenticity of it we cannot prove, it can be have some kind of weaknesses which we don't know, and when we'll forward that information over the internet, maybe hackers can decrypt it and our data will be compromised, okay. So use the right key, lengthy key, complex passwords, so that the combinations and the will be very hard to find out, and when the hackers will try to find out the key combinations, if we are having long enough strong password key, then definitely they need a lot of resources. Clear? So these are the remediation we can say against those kind of attack. Clear? So follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members so that they will be able to understand what are the cryptographic kind of attack and how that happen, and what are the possible solution to just combat against those kind of attack. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss about what is the use of cloud shark. Cloud shark? Yeah, cloud shark. In the next session I will discuss about it. Namaste. See you in the next session.